What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the voicemail notifications won't go away issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open quick settings panel and then click on this power icon, and here click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone your issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is clear the phone app data and cache memory. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and look for the phone app. Now open the phone app and then scroll down and go to its storage. Now to clear the app data, click on clear data, and from the pop-up again click on delete to confirm, and your cache memory of the phone app will automatically be cleared after clearing the app data. So after doing this, the problem will be fixed. But if you are still having the same issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after resetting all settings, the voicemail notifications issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.